Day 3 at is set to be. Welcome to my channel once again. So today is the third day of my journey in this journey to monetization. So today I will continue where I stopped yesterday, which is about the air. So yesterday I talked about me starting the coily air, which I can tag the part 1. So today I will finish up some part of the air, of which I will have to cover the other side, as you can see in this video, as I'm making the coily airs, because I want to try to cover all the whole part so that you guys will be able to see how to really blend and bring out a good hyper realistic air, a coily air, most especially for guys. And in the same way too, it's also similar to a way you can also make hyperrealism air for the female too, because it is of the same method. If you can follow this carefully, then you can also have the same results in achieving a female LT. So as you can see, I'm making the air. I'm making it gradually. I'm putting the first layer, of which I'm also going to put the second layer. So, and gradually, if you can look at it very well, even before I even blend it, that is before using my brush, which I'm going to use last to blend the whole thing together, if you can look at it as I'm layering the air on each layer, you can see that it is giving this kind of air realistic way. It is giving this realism even before you blend. So the major thing is just to know how you go about it, and just as I said yesterday, is just to go in a circular form. Just be very free, be calm. Though you might be curious in how it's gonna look, but I'm just telling you, just have to calm down and make sure your hand is very flexible. Release the muscles and go softly, gently, go in a circular form. Make sure that you are following what you are seeing in your reference, just as you can see in my own reference here. Follow it gradually, and by the time you do it, you made your layer over and over again, just like 2 to 3 times based on your reference. You will see that by the time you look at it, you can just leave your drawing board, move to a back, and look at the drawing itself. It will give you the results you want, though it is not the total results, but it will still give you something looking exactly like what is in your reference. Then gently you do what? You shade. After you've covered it, you use your brush, your soft brush. You can just dip it into your charcoal dust. Okay, one of the materials we also be using in this video is called dust. We call it charcoal dust, a grounded charcoal dust. So we can look for a container, then you pour a little inside, then you pick your brush, you put it inside, then you dust it a bit so that the trapped huge charcoal dust that has been inside your brush will be dropped, because we don't really need much of charcoal, we just want to blend it. So now after you've dusted it, you pick your brush and you go over everything that you use your brush, your pencil rather, to shade. You use your brush to go over it and over it. You use it to blend it very well. You use it to blend all the pencils together. But meanwhile, while doing it, you have to be careful. So you go over it carefully. You use it to blend all the whole sketch, that is the air that you sketch with your charcoal pencil. Use your brush to blend it together. So in the next video, I'll be showing you what to do next. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So If you really enjoy, like and share, and also comment in the comment section so that I will know what to do, or if you have any question, I'll be able to attend to it. See you in my next video. Bye.